Hello my friends, it's 18 October, summer is over, but the weather is still good and there is chance to go out to the sea. And today I'm sitting in extremely rare old boat. She's my favorite here because she's made it in year 1910. 1910, can you imagine? It was more than 100 years ago. But this boat is perfect. She's lovely. Everything is working here. Engine is good also. But this is old sailing boat. And before her name was Selina. Long time ago. Her name is Strandskatan. This is a Swedish name. And actually it means in English Oystercatcher, or was it Oystercatcher? I cannot remember. But this is a national bird for far islands. This is small, really loud and a little bit aggressive bird. What is catching these oysters from the coast. They are a lot of birds and they are really noisy. But this boat is a little bit similar. It's quite big, wide, and now there is also colors like they have to be. The body is black and red, beautiful nose. It's look like beautiful, beautiful. And as I said, this boat is made at 1910, more than 100 years ago. We renovated this boat around half year ago. Because this kind of old boat always needs something to repair work, something to fix. But still, she's my favorite here on this harbor. So I hope that I can show you how to drive and how to steer this boat. And I hope that there is not so high waves on the sea, because this boat is really wide. But these railings from the sea, it's near to the water level. So if there is high waves, it means that if your boat is going to the green, it means that the water is coming in. So yeah, you have to be careful there. So it's time to start it. I take my hat. This is captain's hat. And now I have to go out to take lines off from the ground, and then we can go. I hope that you're gonna stay with me. So, see you soon again. This part over. Small harbor Limhamn is behind us. We are out now. And somewhere there is Denmark. The weather is today quite good. It's hard wind and quite sharp waves. But nothing dangerous. I hope so. And this old boat, more than 100 years old boat, she's going out now to the sea. Let's see and let's hope that our trip gonna be nice and beautiful, and I show you what you can see if you're driving out from this small harbor. Just a minute, I turn this. Somewhere there is Denmark. Maybe you can see this. I hope that you can see this. And somewhere there, on the left side, is the biggest bridge. Actually the only bridge between Sweden and Denmark. And there is a lot of waves. But this is the part of sailing and boating. You have to like wind, waves, and this feeling when the boat is going up and down and water is splashing everywhere. Minutes after then we are driving out now. harbor, and there is our small entrance. You have to be really careful because sometimes there is another boat coming out and there is no chance to drive through if there is somebody else. So now I have to take really carefully because there is wind as well, side winds. From the port side. It's a really old, nice looking white boat, what you can see right now on the port side. She's made it in year 1944. It's a beautiful boat, but unfortunately she's standing here, not driving anymore. And now we are in. So I put my camera away and try to make nice and clear talking. So, my friends, it was really nice, beautiful trip to the sea and back, just to show how to drive and how is the feeling to drive with this kind old boat what is made in 1910. It means that more than 100 years ago. I still cannot believe that this kind old ship can be in such a beautiful condition. Everything is working. Engine. You probably hear the engine sound. This is good. Everything is working. It's always like a dream to drive with this kind of boat. But now it's time to turn off engine. Hello, welcome back to the world, my friends. I'm back also in the harbor, and it was quite nice trip. High waves, hard winds, as it have to be on the sea. But this is really old boat, so always when I'm driving out, I'm a little bit afraid because this boat is more than 100 years old. And it doesn't matter, is it old or new boat, always on the sea can happen everything. So you have to be ready, always. But now it's time to say goodbye. This boat is ready for the winter. There is new winter cover. But I'm gonna leave her to the water because it's an old wooden boat. And this is never not good idea to take out wooden boat to the ground, because wooden boat they have to stay on the water. Otherwise they were gonna dry, and next year they probably gonna sink, or you have to work a lot to keep water outside from the boat. But now, my friends, it's time to say goodbye. I'm gonna close this boat. And it was a nice trip with you. So I hope that we're gonna see soon again. Hej då!